NUM leaders arriving at the Minerals Council to discuss the threat of the coronavirus at the mines.
There are key issues that should be put in place by mining houses, like people must have masks when they are riding with a cage underground, because as they breathe, there's a lot of carbon dioxide inside the transport, and they can be easily infecting each other. We believe that sanitizers also should be put in different places for people to use to prevent. But moreover, because mining work is a work whereby you share everything in terms of lifting tools that are heavy, preventive clothes must always be in place, like your gloves, and people should cover their bodies underground, because sometimes it is very hot. People take off their clothes, and we believe that in case they rub each other, this thing may become a problem.
The union says breathalyzer tests must also be done away with immediately.
The most critical issue is this machine which is used to breathe to check alcohol from people. It's something that should be stopped as soon as possible. If they have another method which can be for one individual, not shared by a bulk of workers, they can use it. But as far as the situation is concerned now, that should be stopped.
So far, there is no confirmed case of the deadly virus at the country's mines, but it may only be a matter of time.
What companies have put up is thermal scanners. Some have got, like the handheld scan to check if you have a temperature. Or they put up the physical ones, so that people, when they walk through, it picks up if you've got a temperature. And just this morning, someone was reporting that they picked up 2 people who had a temperature, which meant then they could put them aside to try and investigate if, it has anything to do with COVID.
Plans are now being made for all possible scenarios, including shutting down operations in case of an outbreak.
What is possible in terms of when you have 1 case, when you have 10 cases, when might you be required to shut down a section maybe of a mine or a shaft or a whole mine, and all of those things.
Mining remains the backbone of the South African economy. It employs 500,000 people directly, while millions more are employed in downstream industries, including manufacturing. Many are therefore praying that the coronavirus stays at bay. Bongani Muchwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.